creative capital. What enabled a low-paid teacher to transfer himself into a mega millionaire is a concept I call creative capital. Before moving on, let's look at this word capital for a moment. We see and hear the word capital all the time, mostly in regard to the stock market and world economy. Here are a few of the variations of the word I came across one morning in a daily newspaper. Capital markets, capitalize, capital investments, capital expenditure, capital goods, working capital, capital gains tax, capitalism. The word capital gets used a lot is because it's the cornerstone of the free market system. Although the concept is powerful, the definition is very simple. Here's Webster's definition: capital, wealth in any form used to create more wealth. When most people talk about capital, they are referring to tangible capital, such as real estate, stocks and bonds, gold, manufacturing facilities, and most commonly, money. But in this book, we are going to be talking about contact capital, an intangible capital that you can convert into cash flow. In a nutshell, your contact capital consists of people you know personally or people you are connected to through a community, such as club, church, school, etc. The beauty of contact capital is that everyone has it in abundance, but few people recognize its huge potential as a profit center.